What's going on, guys? ITM came back with another one. So today we're gonna talk about the Yield Max and Round Hill, and also do a portfolio update. So let's get right into it. So we down 1% on the day. The week we up 3%. The month 22%. 3 months 20%. So we still got my lift option call in play. Um, I'm still currently waiting on their earnings to come up to see if we could, make some money on that play. Um, and this is not financial advice, so um, just everything I'm doing is for fundamentals and educational purposes. So don't copy nothing I do unless you have the right information on it. So Um, so Yield Max coin option income. So we was up on the 27th. We was up to 6,082 cents. Now we are down at 659. It's close to my average cost. So like I say in my other videos, once it go below my average cost, I am buying more. So it's have this type of performance because obviously, let's look at Coinbase. Coinbase has been selling off today. Um, and then you see the same, basically identical chart pattern that they do. So they really follow each other. So must have been that Coinbase they didn't beat earnings or something, or their earning is coming up. So that's why they probably sell off. So they do that selling off early to make retail investors like me and you sell our position out, but really they might push this stock up. And let's just look at Round Hill ETFs. So Round Hill, but first before we get into Round Hill, we're gonna talk about Yield Max. So we got Maro is down 1%. That's from Yield Max. We got Misty is down, and the crazy thing is, Round Hill ETFs are still up no matter what's going on. It's still up. We got MVVA, that's from Rex. But the Round Hill one is doing good. It is running with the market. Everything looks good to me. So, but yeah, guys. I got blocks in here. Blocks. We have it's for crypto. We getting paid weekly off of that one. We got VT, Total World Stock ETF. We still up on that. Ran up from 1 week. It ran up from 137 all the way up to 141. That would have been a nice swing play. Um, then gold seems to move a little bit today, but I wish I could have bought more. Well, I will be buying more this week of gold, but I wish I could have buy it at that for that cheaper price. Cause last week I bought in when it was around $78. Selling off that day, I didn't know. Whew, sorry guys. And then T Spy is looking great. Yes, look at T Spy going strong after hours. So that means Spy must be doing good as well too. Yeah, Spy broke that 180 level and just keep running and running. The Spy is gonna be at $700 per share soon, and I don't own any of Spy, but I got T Spy where I can get the income. So, because my portfolio based off of income, that makes it easier for me because I want cash flow. If you don't have no cash flow, it's not gonna be right. You know what I mean? So let's see what dividends we got came in. coming in. Blocks paid us 567 today, yesterday, and I reinvested it today. Yeah. So I got drip on certain stocks. I can show you drip right here. So I got drip on blocks, IAU, NVII, Tesla, T-Spy, and VT. But the others I have drip off because I want to collect, and whichever one is below the average cost, I'm going to put the money into that one, so that way that one could stay afloat and balanced. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing. And the strategy is very simple. It's not too much to it, so anybody could do this strategy that I'm doing. You see, my market value is $14,000. They say I got 7,700 equity, 600 crypto, and 5,500 margin use. Yep, that's true. And this week on Thursday, I might be selling off. Might be selling Misty because Misty's doing horrible, underperforming. And I actually bought Misty when it was at $20. But the good part about it, I didn't went heavy at that moment. I only put $500 in, and when I started adding in, my average cost came down all the way to 15 to 29. But actually, I might have had less money in Misty, because when I first started buying Misty, it was a June. I put 500 in Misty around June, and then I was getting paid every 4 weeks. So July 7th, then I bought more August 1st. And then now, since they changed the strategy to weekly, it's dropped tremendously to $19 and 2 cent. Could be lower on this pay, who knows? But it doesn't matter to me because I'm getting rid of it, so I can start doing more cash secure puts and cover calls. And I want to actually teach you guys how to do that. So once I'm doing that, I will be doing it on Thursday. So I'll make a video of me doing it on Thursday, like a screen record video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the cash secure put. I'm gonna execute a trade live, doing it on a video to show you guys how to do cash secure put, and then the week after, I'm gonna show you guys how to do cover calls on your 100 shares once you get it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm at 12,000. Yesterday I was at 12.1, 12.2 probably, but I'm at 12.0 right now. So once we do the cash secure put, I can split it up and pay some to margin, and load more in here, and that way I could grow my portfolio a little bit faster, and just the goal is to make passive income, live free, and quit the 9 to 5. So when that day come, hopefully it's soon. It will be. Um, we'll be doing trading full time, just cash secure put cover call full time. So yeah, guys. So thanks for watching my video, and all I want you to do is just leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.